everyone, today I introduced a new plugin called Text Highlight. How we can use. First, you should to install it from website. Link is in a description. You can click it in a description, and after you download it, extract. Then after install it that. Then after you should to go in a effects. Here you see text selector. Then after you can drag it here drag it here you see. Then after here is a control and color. Height extender means this height you can increase it, how many space do you need. And border size means this is a border size, this is line, you can increase it. And x position means this x position, this is the x position, left x position and right x position. And this is a circle, how big you want. And this is a position, where to place. And color, here is a color, which color do you want to use for documentary video or simple type of SaaS animation video or anything. And you can also go in a Fusion page, then you can build anything from here. Like I create this and I added one text and I write something you can write something. Then after you can place it here and animate it from keep him. Subscribe for more video. Always be creative. That's it, man. Thank you for watching.